Hey there, welcome to EM Links to be treating properties of fluids. When you talk about a fluid is a substance which possesses both a gas and a liquid state or properties. Are you getting it? You must know that water is a fluid, oil, and rollers. We have types or the properties of fluids. You know that we have three properties of fluids. That's the intensive properties, the extensive properties, and the specific properties. When we talk about the intensive properties are independent. Of the mass of the system. That is, to keep this in mind, I is what? Independent. So it means that I is to I. To remember this. Intensive property is what? Independent. The mass of the substance of the system. Are you getting it? So note this. Let's put this somewhere. Keep it. The examples of intensive properties. We have example, temperature. We have pressure and the other density. And let's imagine that of the extensive, if the intensive is independent. That means that the extensive depends on the mass or the size of the system. So it depends on the size or mass or size of the system. With this, you have the total volume, total mass as examples. And that of the specific property is interesting. So this one property, two property number 3. With the specific property, you must know that the specific property is just the extensive property over mass. Are you getting it? And it is always denoted by small letters. So denoted by small letters. Are you following? So let's create a new column and let's make things much more simple. At least let's see what we've learned for today. We know that there are 3 types of properties of a fluid. That's one, the intensive property, the extensive property, and last but not the least, specific property. You must know that 1, the intensive property is what? Independent, I to I. Of mass of the system. And 2, extensive. The extensive property is what? Dependent of the mass of the system. But the last one, that is the specific property. Is what? All about the extensive property over mass divided by the mass or per mass. Are you getting it? So let's look at examples of the specific properties. So imagine we have mass. So let's say volume. So know that any property divided by mass is called what? Specific property. Note this. And it's denoted by what? Small letters. And we have specific what? Volume. Well, let's see. Specific volume is what? Volume comes here, so it's volume over what? Volume over mass. So volume over mass. And we have this to be small v. But know that mass over volume is what? Is density. So specific volume v here is what? The inverse of density. Are you following? And we know specific gravity or Sg is the density of a substance to a density of a known substance. So density of a substance to density of a known substance. Let's say water. You have some exceptions. There's a specific volume. At times it's not divided by the mass, but sometimes volume. That's for only one instance when specific weight. That is weight over volume, because we have mass here over v. So imagine you made mass, you just go to g. That's acceleration due to gravity. That's wrong. Are you getting it? So once we have this, we know that m over v is what? Density. So we have density times acceleration due to gravity. When we have this to be s sine s rho. So today we've been able to identify the types of the properties of a fluid. You know that we have the intensive, the extensive, the specific properties. You know that the I is to I. The intensive is independent. Extensive is dependent. The specific is the extensive divided by the mass. We have exceptions. That's the specific volume is the normal one. That's the property. The specific volume is the property, the extensive property of a mass. That's the normal one we know. But the exceptions, that's the specific gravity. Specific gravity is the density of what? Of a substance to a density of a known substance. Let's say water. And we have the specific weight having its own exceptions. That's weight divided by volume, not mass. When you have this. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Please give us a share, like, and subscribe to EM Links. Thank you.